Real quick, here's my reptile cage for sale. It is 6 foot 9 inches tall. It is about 4 foot wide. It's about 44 inches wide. It is on wheels. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 levels where your reptile or bird or whatever you want to put inside can rest on it. There are ladders, thermometers. You can put a large water bowl in the bottom, which I do have here. It's a large Rubbermaid. If your monitor or lizard is potty trained, it'll just use the bathroom in that. I do have some newspaper down there. As you can see, the bottom is completely wood. It's all plexiglass, thermometers, large branch that's been custom made inside as well. Very sturdy. None of this stuff moves. You can unscrew easily for cleaning and all the logs, and the ladders. It's very clean. Large piece of driftwood on the top for your reptile to rest on. Murdoch's big butt in the way down here. Plexiglass doors, nicely made. Everything was completely nicely made, completely done. They screw in, screw out to lock. There's an inside of the cage look, top of the driftwood, securely fastened inside of there. Extra levels for your animal or reptile to rest on, ladders, thermometers, and up top we have the lights. I've got purple lights, I've got Reptile glow lights, I've got heat lamps, 4 spaces for bulbs. You can add more. This door opens and closes, so your whatever you put in there can't get out. And this is where you get to the lights up top. Light switches, everything works fine. As you can see, that's for the purple lamp. The other is for the, well, it depends on what you plug into it. To each one, but you can see those now. And I am including a Power Sun bulb, which is 100 watts. This is $60 in the pet store. It's brand new. I haven't used it. Also will include a Zoom Ed timer. This is $20 in the store. There's the top of the cage. I'll give you a better view of the top so you can see. Might be kind of dusty up there. Yeah. But need to clean that top part off. But the rest of the cage is very clean. And it's on wheels, so it does move easily for you to slide it in out of your house. And here's the power cord, which is very, very heavy duty. And I do have a heater for the bottom of it. It goes all the way across it. It's not in there right now because it's pretty big, but it just depends on how much substrate you want to put in there. And I get another view of it. It's in my living room, so you can imagine how nice it is, how big it is. Very, very well made. And there are thermometers and for humidity and heat in there, humidity indicators and all of that. And each level you can tell how many degrees it is for your heat bulbs or whatever. So here's my large reptile aviary or enclosure, and it is for sale. Was $500. I was asking $350 for it now. So give me a call, 917-497-1491. Thank you.